Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is October 21st, Tuesday. So, what's going on? As we can see from the yellow banner here at the bottom, the U.S. government data may be impacted by the shutdown. Tentative events are subject to delay, revision, or cancellation. We've had nothing going on for quite a little while now as the government continues to be shut down. That being said, let's take a look at our neighbors up north. Canada, their CPI was up to 3.2%, which was more than expected. Uh, all of their inflation numbers were higher than expected. So, one of the interesting things is that Canada is, very, very close to the US. And for the most part, they consume the same products we do. And so this is sort of a preview of what we may be seeing with our CPI numbers, which I believe are coming out on Friday. Yeah, so this is not a good thing. If CPI goes up, means that the Fed will probably hold on cutting rates additionally, unless labor is a problem. We'll have to wait and see. At 9 a.m., we have FOMC member Waller speaking, and we also have him speaking again at 3:30. At 4:30, we have the API weekly statistical bulletin, and that is all we've got. All of these are yellow items, which is low impact. So not a whole lot going on from a news perspective. Looking forward to the charts. Looking up, we're gapping up very, very slightly. Had an update yesterday on horrible volume, just pathetic volume. It makes me think that this little move to the upside may be slowing down. We'll have to wait and see. Obviously, the all-time highs are very, very close. 68.12. And then above that, it is who knows where we could go, right? We're in nosebleed area. Absolutely have no idea where it could go once we breach those highs. We do have support at the 20-day moving average, which is around 67.26. If we could get below that, we might test yesterday's low, 66.90. It looks like, if I had to guess, I'd say we're just going to start chopping back and forth in this extended range. I just don't see a reason to go up. I don't see a reason really to go down, other than the macroeconomic events. But hey, nobody's paying attention to those. So yeah, it is what it is. Moving forward, looking at inventory was positive on positive price action. That's correlated. That's what we want to see. Nothing to write home about there. Moving on. Looking at the overnight action, we had approximately 22 points. This is right on the money for average. Average is about 22 points. So we're right at average. So maybe volatility is constricting somewhat. Maybe it'll be a slower day. We'll have to wait and see. Where is intermediate support and resistance? Above, we've got resistance at 67.98, 68.05. Of course, 6,800 is going to be the psychological number. We get above that, you can see that we're starting to get into nosebleed area. 68.32. These are special fib numbers up high. And then there's nothing else up there. On the downside support, we got 67.52, 67.42, 67.20 has got some confluence. The whole number 6,700, maybe just a hair above that. 67.03, just below that. 66.94. You've got a bunch of areas right in this area. Should be some support. We'll have to wait and see. 66.80 as well. Stock Traders Almanac for today is 52.4, 52.4. So a slight positive bias from the Stock Traders Almanac for today. That's all I've got for you. I hope you have a great day. Happy trading. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.